Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. How's everyone doing today? Hope you had a great evening. I'm going to show you some nice profitable things again today in the MOJO room and what we did trading. Welcome. It's Tuesday, August 14th, and we got some nice stocks going on and moving. Welcome YouTube, welcome Twitch, welcome guys. You know, we're going to get rich or die Bitcoin mining. We're dying slow death now in the Bitcoin. Dogs are barking. What's up? What do you see, bud? What do you see? Come here, you want to say hello to everyone? Oh, you're such a big boy. Wow, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What you barking at? Huh? What are you barking at? Fancy, huh? Alright, you go play with your brother. Go ahead. Crazy little dog. Love them dogs. So guys, we're a couple of nice stocks right here. I'm taking a look right now. Able took a dump this morning. It went up to 697 to 748. Came down. Looks pretty good right now. It's 449, 450 range. It's a signal up at 470. But by the time we're done with this video, we may be surprised. It may go to 5 even. That would be cool. Another one we're looking at right here today we traded was DWT. Made a beautiful move right up here on DWT. Then it continued and made another move higher. That was a great trade as well. And I'll bring up the MOJO Day Trade room and show you what we got going on. IDRA, traded that. What else? ASNA, the swing pick right here. Nothing real big and huge today. Nothing big and huge. Let me bring up the room. I'll show you what goes on with the room. We traded HYRE this morning. All right, here is it. HYR. That's the symbol. So we're doing it's 9:25 a.m. We came in the room and Able just came out with an offering. I guess that's why it's down. Doing MOJO University at 3 p.m. today. We traded higher right here up into 344, 345, 350 right here when it opened at 9:30 a.m. First buy was at the 350 range, 355 average, and then sold it at 389 right there. You could see that. Beautiful. Made a move through $4 to sold the rest at 404. That was a great trade. Bam, Mike made 300 off the bat. Then we did it again, 371 for trade 2 and sold it at 392. Then we did it again, 372 and sold it up at 392 again. That's 3 for 3. Went 403, 404 right there. And then we did it again, 4 for 4, 370. $1,000 a day keeps it all away. Absolutely. HYRE 384. Within 13 minutes, Tom made 380. Blanco 260. Allen 2,863. Patsy 101. So there you go. Do people make money in the MOJO room and trading? There you go. Mar 1197. You know, I've been doing this for 6 years. These are all people right here that have been doing this that make a living day trading. I had one of my friends witness this morning. He couldn't believe it, what he's been doing for the last, he's like a carpenter and a builder, and he works with his hands, and he can't believe what I made in 30 minutes. $542, 286, 328, 1725, 105, 118, 3 years for Blanco right there. HYRE. The guy doesn't know what Mike's does this, Mike's does that. Careful. Hines, 296. What's moving? Then we were ready for the play. And that's it. And that was pretty much it. It was on my screen here. GLYC went through 15. What else? Roku went through 58. Here's Roku. We traded Roku today. ROKU through 58. Only went to 58.10. Got destroyed. Is now at 56. So you got to take the profits when they're there. And then from that, we did Hines 58 right there, 58. Also, then we did DWT right here at 729, which was the high. And DWT went to 749. So a 20-cent move right there. And IDRA was moving, made a nice move on IDRA. And now I like Able at 450 right here. 450 is Able. And that's what we're looking at now. So let's take a look. Able is at 450. There's a signal at 470. It goes through 470. You can go back to $5. CVM, Cell Psi Corporation. IDRA made a beautiful bounce back. I bought it here off $8. I sold it too early. I sold it into this bar right there at like 809, 807, and then it went higher. It came down. I said I did good, but now it's at 830. Something I taught in MOJO University I thought was important last night. Yesterday in my trading, I traded UVXY and I owned it. I'll show you. This is yesterday. Let me go to the 15-minute. I owned it right here, 866, and it went 857, and I was like, oh, I'm almost going to get stopped out. And then I had a bunch of shares, and then it came back up, and I sold it like into this bar right here, the first green one, kind of broke even. And then look what it did. Instead, I should have played it. So right here, check it out. This is the business plan that wasn't really followed. So I scaled in here, and it was a bad scale in, so I sold it right there, and I made like $300. Okay? But if I would have played it here and started my sequence at 890 and done the Hines, which I wanted to on it because I started here, and I wound up getting in down here and breaking even, making 300. But if I would have done this sequence, 1, 2, and then 3 right at the 9, I would have made all this profit right here, and that would have been $3,000 probably. So the difference between 3,000 and 300 was all on the same stock on when the entry and exit points were. Very, very big lesson to follow the game plan. Ethereum just got destroyed. I can't believe it. Let's take a look. 200 and change. I mean, I can't believe it. 258 on Ethereum. Look at that. Look at that drop from 319 to 251 stopping station. Can you believe that? Look at that. Oh, destroyed. Down 13.9%. Let's look at my miners. It's 255 coin there. I'm still mining not 5,320 mega hash, and I'm still mining. Where is it? 0.2 Ethereum, 10 Ethereum a month right there. 9.58. Actually, it's yesterday I got paid twice, and I already got paid once today. I'm already at 9.53. So yeah, it's low. I'm getting paid 0.2 2 times a day on 254. So that's 0.2 times 254. Shit, I gotta switch coins. Sucks, it came down too much. Mining it at 350. I was hoping for it to go back to 500, not cut in half to 250. So we're gonna have to go to what to mine and look at crypto mining profitability calculators and do some switching right here. Let's see what the most profitable coin to mine with the 1080 Ti is. Methush. MF Lush. I never heard of this coin. It's up 38% though. Litecoin Z. 87 cent a coin though. Weak. Everything's weak with the mining. What to mine. Nice hash. $1.79 a day profit on nice hash. Loki. Loki ain't bad. Trades on Cryptopia. Ryo, $1.64 revenue per day. This is $1.70. This is $1.77. Let's see what we can mine with Loki. My hash rate is what is Loki? Loki is kryptonite heavy. Let's see what I got. Kryptonite heavy, I'm at, where is it? Kryptonite. I don't have it on here. I gotta go to a different one. It's on here, kryptonite heavy. So let's see, 1070 Ti, we put in 200, 1080 Ti 50. Kryptonite heavy, I'm at 138,250. 138,250. On kryptonite heavy. And that's Loki. I'm at 130, 1, 2, 3. Calculate. I make 17,950 for Loki a month. Let's see Loki. What is Loki? L-O-K-I? Probably trades right here. L-O-K-I. Here it is, Loki. Yeah, Loki's got some bids there, so you can mine and sell that sucker easy. Oh yeah, Loki's mineable. Definitely. And what's it gonna do? 6-month chart? It's got some upside, that's for sure. What do they do? Loki is the trade and communicate with an absolute freedom kind of something. Well, it looks like it's mining. Loki's a private project. Loki is a privacy project. It is having an agenda to decide when you reveal your personal information, particularly in valuable quality, when the collection and storage of personal data is unprecedented. Loki means to transact and communicate privately and anonymously using a decentralized, I guess that's not here because they use an S, blockchain technology, service nodes, private money, the blockchain, node rewards, kryptonite, proof of work. I explained what the proof of work was to my friend today. Service nodes. Nice team. This guy looks pretty young. I want to find out about the nodes. Oh yeah, they got a nice Mainnet release, service node in progress. I want to find out more. I'll stay tuned. Dude, I want to check out the service node. Getting started. Loki, download the Loki wallet. Start mining. If you're interested in GPU mining, download the mining software we recommend, XMR Stack or CastCR. Here's the mining pools. Oh, they got a lot. Cool. Their own mining pool. I may have to just mine some Loki. 0% pool fee right there. This one's a 1%. I'll have to see which ones. Probably the ones are the best. Charge the most, get the most blocks done. Right here. It's a nice looking pool. How many miners they got? Yeah, pool hash rate right there, running. There's the AMD and NVIDIA addresses right there. I like this site. Fair pool looks nice. How many miners they got? Daily per card 233. Loki ain't bad. To check out the Loki. Dark theme. I like the dark theme. Ooh, everyone's getting lucky. See, lucky 6 minutes ago. Payout. They're getting paid every bunch of payouts. Block found. Block payouts of timing. Mining stats, payouts, dashboard. That's where you find your stats right there. Put it in right there. Cool, I like Loki. Then we have to switch to some Loki. Do some mining on Loki instead of Ethereum. And then just send her over to Cryptopia. Loki blockchain. Here's this elastic pool is a 1% fee too. Welcome to Loki Elastic Pool in Nuremberg, Germany, with nodes in Atlanta, Georgia, and Sydney. We support SSL, PPLNS, mining systems, custom payout thresholds. If you have a GUI wallet, you have a GUI. Proud to announce the launch of the referral and the lottery program. Hash rate, height, 74,000. Fees, one miners only 32. Paid 166. Payment sent. Some blocks, 9 hours, 17 hours. So they're getting them. 479 blocks found. Okay, they got some nice pools. We have back here, let's take a look back at the stock. IDRA 834, Roku's 5686. Abel's going higher, looks like a little bit. 449 by 450. GLYC is at 15. Space Supercom with $1.79. HYRE got dumped upon, probably right off stopping station right there. Let's see if it's right off stopping station. Yup, 909, 910, double bounce off stopping station to 313. All right, let's check out what's going on YouTube. Is anybody there? What's going on there, Mr. Pro Trader Steve-O? How you doing, bud? Nice to see you. Hello, YouTube. So for Tuesday, we hit HYRE early and some IDRA, and that's it. And DWT. Hasn't been a spectacular macular day, but it's been decent. What else? What else? What else? What else? EKSO is moving at 294 right here. Look, 292 by 294. That was up. That's UV. This was it right here. Look at this move on EKSO from 268. That's sweet. That's probably going to keep on going. There's a signal right up here. Look at it at 298. Take a while to get through it though, I think. That's EKSO. IDRA just freaking nailed 840. Look at that, new high. Man, I had that thing at like 8. What's up, Bill? How you doing today? You made money in the room with everybody else. It was nice. So 840 on ADRA. Able still 449 by 50. Looks like it's going to go higher. Then we got THST today, 227 on 9 million. Did a crazy bad dump this morning. There goes IDRA again, 847, taking off through 850 now. Crazy. Look at that, huh? Big moves in those stocks. And then Solo, 380, made a nice move today on Solo. I looked at TAOP this morning when it made that first bar. I'm like, what the hell is that at 120? It had the same 101. See it right there at 130? It had the same exact thing at 110. Check it out. TAOP. Same exact. See, I did it. Look, news for TAOP. Did I put it in? I'll show you. No, but it had the same 101. Did. I think I put it in. I didn't, but it had that same 101 right there at 110. That's why I put it in. And you could see the news announcement. I'll show you exactly. Look. That's THST. TAOP. Right here. At 1038. At 1038 TAOP. Is that a high? This is exactly what it was. It was 110 by 112. At 1038. Right here. See it? And what time was that again? It was 1038. It was in this bar. No. Maybe it had already run up and then I looked at the news. Oh, 1032. Yeah. That's right here, 1032. Wasn't 127. It's 110. Well, maybe it was earlier I had seen it or something. This friend request pending from Iron Man. Okay. So guys, crypto trading's hurting. He's just out of it. He keeps on trying to guess these charts, symmetrical, nothing. It'll take a long time for stuff to come back. Okay, but we'll mine until it does. This is what I thought bottom was. Look at that, 329 on Ethereum. Dude, Ethereum now is 229. I thought it was at 329. I took an entry, and I'm like stunned since. I'm stunned. 329, it's 260. It went to craziness. That's what it went to. Just freaking craziness, man, huh? Crypto so low, it's crazy. So, got to stay with the game. Keep on holding coins, and if you think it's going to go up in value, you can see what you're going to make. Crypto. Go to My Crypto Buddy. Come in right here, and if you think Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic's going on Coinbase, it doesn't matter. So enter a hash rate. And then if at current price at 257, you're making 10.46 coins a month, which is like not a lot of money. But then put the price in at 1,000, and now you're at $10,000 of that value. Hold it till 2,000, you're at $20,000 in value. Let's say you buy a mining rig today for 2,000. Let's say you get 7 cards, 210 mega hash, Ethereum price current at 270. Power on that is 850. Live stats on. Hardware cost 2,000. 210. Current cost none. Never sell coins. Profitable never. It's funny. Let's see. 210 mega hash. Difficulty. Ethereum price. What happens if Ethereum's at 500? You're making 158 a month. Ugh. So it's going to take. How come it doesn't have that? How could it be in 3 months you're making it back, but $2,000 you never make it back? Oh, because it's 12 months. 24-month time frame. 2,000. Live stats. How could that be? What if I reduce it to 1,900? 1,800? 1,500? 1,000? How can I not make it back? 800? 500? Something's wrong. 300? $100? I can make it back and profitable. And how am I profitable in 2 months off that? But I don't understand. Am I doing it right? 210 mega hash. Take out the power. That's, I don't know idea what the hell's going on. How can you never be profitable? If you buy something for $2,000 and you're making, there's a certain amount of days. That's so crazy. $257, 210 mega hash. That's right. 113 a month. So if you're paying 1,000, 2,000, that's 20 months right there. 113 into 2,000. That's weird. Oh well. I don't know. Can't rely on the calculator. That's about it. TGXT just came by at 11.92. 5 cent spread. Can't do nothing. Start at the bottom. And I'll start at the top. The Dow Jones 25,288, up another 100 points. The high was 25.6. Jeez Louiskis. And then you got S&P 2,800. Did the S&P at 3,000? Not yet. Comp, that was big. 7,900 on the comp is the all-time high. Amazon is at 1,900 per share. That's just amazing. Let's see it many weeks ago. Last year at this time in August, it was 954. Now it's 1,900. Amazing. Facebook took a big dumping, but now it's at 181. I remember buying Facebook at $25. Apple 209. A year ago, 149. Woo! Twitter, up and down like a banana bean. Last year, it was $15. Nvidia, last year, was 152. It's 262. Money's going to flow out of this market and flow into something. Let's see, you got 1976 AMD a year ago was 13. Intel a year ago was 34. A couple days ago it was 57. UV always got Contago. Nugget, same thing. Look at gold, 1670. She's Louise. These are just ETFs. And that's it. Able a year ago was 72 cents. Now it's $5. Look at the TAOP setting a new high right there. That TAOP. That's broken up. EKSO a year ago. Oh, it's doing the same thing it did a year ago. Look. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Make up this, but this bar is not as big as this volume bar right there. But it made a huge move. It went from $1.50 to $4.77. Magnificent. Look at ASNA, 470 now. Creeping up like a creeper. This is the one I picked the other day for the Mojo room off my desktop. ASNA. Right here. Had a $4 Heinz move at $4 to go through 4. It's at 470 now. Making a crest of that 74 as we speak. That was my pick. Look at my video from the other day. I went through it. The other one from the other day, I did my research, was TTNP. Right here at 93 cents. TTNP is the same price, 90 cents. The other one was PVG. Look at that one. PVG is 923, up 6.5%. PVG. See, so all my swing picks that the people are in did good. This is the PVG pick. We went through a 999% increase in earnings on PVG. And then I think those were the 3. Yeah. This is August, and here's the ASNA on August 5th. Yeah, that's the same one. All right. Same one. Roku, same. NPTN, Idera, Blink. Blink's a nice looking stock. Blink's going to go again one day like it did here, here, and here. Oh, history always repeats itself. Let's see. I like looking at voicemails and it has 0 for the message, you know. It's like, don't bother. I just let everything go to voicemail now. Can't recognize nobody's numbers. Everything's frozen, man. Market's like frozen. The Mojo Show. The Mojo Show. That's the way we do the Mojo Show. It's the Mojo Show. Yeah. Nothing happening in the recap today, folks. I got teaching at 3 o'clock, Mojo U at 3 o'clock, then again at 8 o'clock. Peace, keep it profitable. Subscribe to my channel, always give me a like, and we catch you pretty much on the next one. You see that shark swimming around? Follow him. You can get the subscribe by when he chases that money. Look.